What's up, y'all? It's Shiggy the Piggy, the realest piggy in the pen, and I'm back with another video. And today we got a seafood boil, and we actually have a baked chicken breast boil because she's allergic to seafood. I wish I could show y'all, but
Come here.
it's just everything that comes in the seafood boil minus the seafood and chicken breast, and she has corn, sausage, boiled egg, potatoes, and cucumbers. And then here we have corn, potato, hot beef sausage,
Snow crab.
we got snow crab in the bottom. We got like 2 pounds of snow crab in the bottom. And then we got some large shrimp scampi's. Let me show y'all. And we literally ain't ate nothing all day.
Period.
These are shrimp scampi's. Little big things right here. But we about to get to eating. In our bowls, we got some spicy lemon garlic butter sauce. And that's about it. The kids got their food. They got some chicken breast, some corn, and some rice.
That chicken boil taste.
Yeah, we gonna let her tell y'all how this chicken boil tastes.
Yeah, I'm about to definitely tell y'all, right? Now let's start this.
And also to my old and new subscribers, I've been selling seafood bags every Friday. So if y'all need some seafood, y'all need some butter sauce, tap in with me.
This is, yeah.
So far so good.
We gotta move this over. We got this little tiny container. I can actually put this on here.
I can take my corn out too. Because we trying to get to the crab legs and everything covering the crab legs. Ooh, thing sharp.
Nice. I told you.
Y'all, I've been so hungry today. It's like everywhere we went, because we had to run. We was on a couple of missions earlier. We got out early. We got out before 12 o'clock. We finally made it back to the house around maybe like 5. So we've been out. And everywhere they have food, I wanted to get some food from everywhere. But I said, nope. Nope. I want to save my appetite for this. Not for this video, because I ain't even planning on doing this video. We just came up with this like literally 10 minutes ago.
2 seconds ago. I'm gonna need my little scissors for my snow crab.
Somebody, excuse me, do you want your own channel? 'Cause this is my channel. Oh, I got butter on me already. Wow. And I gotta go to work tonight, y'all. I'm mad. I'm wearing this shirt to work. Shit, I ain't changing. I don't care. I'm gonna get dirty anyway. Eat the rest of your chicken, then you'll be done.
Yeah, sorry, I get some rock. Finish that.
I'm gonna try my boiled egg first before I go forward.
Almost done.
Look at all that, y'all. Look at all that. Look at all that. I'm gonna scoot it closer so y'all can see the details. But I don't want to get the table dirty. Look at them details. Look at them details. See that? Oh, I got my whole broke thumb in the camera. Wow. Why you ain't tell me?
But I forgot.
Yeah, I smashed my finger in the car door. Don't judge me.
It's so good. Jesus.
Them boiled eggs don't taste no better than, they gotta be made just like this. I can't eat them no other way.
Ain't no other way to make them, but it's the boys.
I'm talking about hard boiled. Until you see the gray part. We got some, oh yeah, and we got some mussels, y'all. We got some green lip mussels, New Zealand mussels, whatever you want to call them. Squeeze a little lemon on here.
No, this almost done. All this food, so you just watch it. All this food up for you.
I might need them scissors too.
Yeah, I can't.
No, I can't do this part.
I can't play with these crab legs.
Oh, wait a minute.
They could at least pre-crack these boys.
This sauce is good, y'all.
This so good. Fuck, I just love it. This is my favorite part. I eat this shit by itself. Like, man, I eat this just some soup.
Oh, them little spices touching my throat. Damn, this a piece that was on the cloth. Now this mug thick. Cause it's thick.
Girl, eat that until you eat down. Eat that chicken. Eat this, that one. Eat this one. You should be
They
done.
can see it.
You gonna eat that one too?
Show them.
Here, use this.
Finish this one.
She about to show y'all her chicken breast.
Look.
Look
y'all.
good though.
Mm.
Wow.
I know I ain't uploaded in a long time. I apologize. I really do. A lot been going on, but we still here, y'all. This ain't sharp.
I'm gonna kill you, Dad.
What are you talking about, homegirl?
I said don't get the chair. I said don't get on the chair and get some no juice.
Well, you got out the chair.
When I get down, I get down. I'm gonna watch it.
That corn about to be good. I already know. That corn all types of fresh.
Man,
This one.
literally.
This one, like, we got that shit straight out the garden.
It's the season for fresh corn.
We picked this corn straight out the garden, y'all. Straight out the garden.
Straight out of it.
I don't want my food.
Okay.
You know.
There's no more this for now.
A big girl.
Yep.
Yep.
You sleepy? That's weird. Your eyes look low.
Well, they are up. She ain't
You
going to
cutting.
sleep. What it look like I'm cutting?
What's cutting?
What it look like I'm cutting?
What's cutting?
What is this?
Ooh.
I can color it, but when you cutting the palette off
Mm-hmm. Cutting the meat off the crab leg.
from under the meat of the crab layer,
Mm-hmm. Off the crab leg.
You was where she was down. She was from down south.
Off the crab leg.
The crab leg. The crab leg.
That is a joke.
No, you're you.
They see how that joke.
No, I'm trying to tell you.
You crazy?
You're crazy.
Get her off my channel.
You're on the channel. This is my channel.
That ain't your channel.
That's my channel.
Girl, this is my channel.
No, this is my channel.
This is Shiggy the Piggy Eating Show.
So this mine and that's what.
Mm.
That's hers.
Mm.
That's hers.
Mm.
You name dropping? You name dropping?
Name dropping.
If I get a lot of views on this video, I know something. Oh, bring your door back on again. No. Nothing.
We need somebody to send me love our way.
For real. 'Cause me
She
and
needs to
Love,
taste this butter sauce.
we on the same page.
I'm telling y'all. I'm telling you.
Be Love slipping on her pimping. For real. Slipping on her pimping.
Touch the meat of the crab
Mm-hmm.
Please taking it off.
Yeah.
Can you get the meat off it?
Huh?
Get all the meat off.
Mm-hmm.
Get the crab off.
Sienna, tell Be Love to hit me up.
Hey, Mom, I'm mommy, I believe.
Period.
As she should.
Period, Pooh.
Alright, you gotta get out.
Mama, I could stay in here.
I need some scissors.
You can't touch me. No, I'll touch you.
Who was you talking to like that?
I'm not talking to nobody I knew.
Hmm?
I'm not talking to nobody to them.
You talking to somebody.
I'm not talking to nobody either.
You on our channel.
No, this is my channel right here. That's their channel.
This is my channel.
No, that's your channel, Kyla.
Y'all, the only thing with these snow crabs,
This is their channel.
you gotta work for this meat.
Man.
That's
That's why I just like the king easily.
They ain't had no kings where we went, sadly, but we had to settle for what we can get.
Disappointed. That's very disappointed.
But the meat's still good though. It's still good.
Wow. Finally got a pull.
You finally got one? I got one a long time ago. Y'all make sure y'all get this video a thumbs up. Watch out, move back. Move back.
See how?
Mm-mm. I'm doing a video. You gotta move, homegirl.
Can I get an egg, Mommy?
You want an egg?
Yeah.
Girl.
I need a napkin. More than one. Well, more than one, fine. You get two.
You're not about to eat your egg right here. You about to go head on.
Too.
Yeah, get back. You get the egg when we done.
Yeah, I'll give you one when we're done.
Fine.
So fine then. Fine then, I'm gone.
Shit, I'm got full. Eating up all that down.
I get full just cracking these snow crabs because it takes so long to get into these boys. I just get full from working on them. Man, come on. By the time I done ate two legs off the cluster, I be full because I done fought to try to get inside.
See, that's too much for me.
Nothing against snow crabs, but we just prefer colossals. For real. These snow crabs is like for beginner seafood eaters.
They don't even want these.
Thank you.
That's the sauce for me.
Oh, period.
That sauce good though. That's perfect. It ain't too hot. Perfect.
I swear this kid's
We got some smoked beef sausage, hot.
Now that I think about it, Cocomelon teach kids how to not listen. Like, if you watch Cocomelon, I watch Cocomelon. I was watching it with her one day. And they basically teach kids how to be hard-headed.
Oh, no more monkeys jumping on me.
I'm like, Mommy said tie your shoe. I'm not gonna tie my shoe. Like, what?
Man, this is probably the freshest cucumber I had in a long time. For real. Cucumber good. Y'all know the food good when y'all get to dancing. Dang, I gotta go to work. Wow, what time is it? 8?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God.
It's 8 o'clock already?
Whew, I got 52 minutes. That's crazy.
52 minutes what?
Before I gotta go to work.
Oh, you gotta be there at 10?
Mm-hmm. So depressing. Y'all make sure y'all stay safe in this pandemic, cause this shit getting back. It was already real, but it's getting like realer. This is the second year.
And they said people still catching it, people still dying.
We all tested negative though, so just if y'all wondering. Come on, you on 42%.
Yeah, bring my wine.
I'm gonna try corn, y'all.
Yeah, so this is bomb.
Corn on the cob.
I remember.
Corn on the cob.
Full, baby.
I'm full, baby. I'm trying to eat some food. Psych, dog. So I'm trying to take a nap. Oh my God, I ain't even taking no nap.
Okay.
Fuck my life. Oh my God. I gotta go to work.
I need to go get me some backwood. Make it do its thing.
Woo! This sauce is definitely busting though. I can't even lie. I won't even lie.
Okay.
I'm not gonna even lie. I never lie.
We need a taste tester for Beloved actual sauce that she made fresh out the pot. We don't need we need Beloved on this video. We just need a taste tester. There ain't no competition in nothing, boy.
Like, you ain't even gotta follow me back. Just taste this sauce. Cause once you taste this sauce, you gonna follow me back anyway. Like, where that girl at from Detroit? Where she at? What's that
This is
sauce?
sauce for me too.
And I don't eat nasty food or nasty nothing, so I don't know. My customers like it, so.
You should have been vlogging the review.
Hmm.
Vlogging your customer review.
Record them as I pull up.
What y'all doing? Sit down.
These crab legs actually don't taste like that bad or salty. Cause remember I told you it was salty?
They not salty to me. But now that one place, them boys were salty.
What was we for? Oh, you talking about the first batch?
No, I'm talking about the fish place right across the street.
Oh yeah, them bad. These fish.
And you know why they were so salty? Cause they was frozen. They was probably preserving them.
You know what's crazy?
Nasty.
I'll never go to another seafood market and get no seafood ever again.
Nope. They
Only
overcharge.
shrimp.
Only shrimp.
Only shrimp. And when I
They
find
be
out
overcharging y'all. They overcharge.
when I find out where to get these shrimps camping from, it's over with. They will never get another dollar from me. I don't need y'all to cook. I don't need.
Wow.
I'm full as fuck.
This sauce is so good.
Yeah.
I said I wanted seafood earlier just to make me happy because I know I had to go to work tonight. But this sauce made me happy, actually, for real. This sauce is good, and I'm not even lying.
It's like perfect.
No faking.
I wouldn't even be sitting here eating no nasty food in front of y'all. Fronting like it's good. Like, it's good though. For
You
real.
see everybody quiet. Shit.
Right. I keep on forgetting. I keep on forgetting I'm recording.
Tiffany ain't said 2 words.
Right.
Ain't shit to talk about. Yeah. Have to wrap my boy up. Put me some foil over that shit. Stop playing with that pillow. Mama come get you.
Get off that couch.
I'm about to come get you. Come get you.
Come on, get me. I don't got time for them.
What?
I'm gonna need one more shrimp.
I'm about to get one more leg. And I think it's gonna pull out perfect.
Oh, it's a whole other
We
area.
got all these crab legs in here. Just hiding. This one right here. I like these. 'Cause this one gonna pull out. Y'all see that? That crab meat? I gotta dip that right there. Dip that in the sauce. Get you a lemon. Sprinkle it over there. And just eat it. Oh yeah, that's good. This all I'm about to eat because if I eat any more,
I'm through.
I ain't gonna be punching the clock. I'm like, I fell asleep though. I fell asleep.
So I had this dog ass seafood boil.
Like,
Y'all don't even understand. It put me to sleep.
I had the itis.
Can y'all please excuse my plate?
Y'all know how seafood be. Y'all know.
This baby just ate in a minute.
Oh, there we go.
Let me
I picked the perfect leg. The perfect leg. Perfect. A way to end this video.
Hey, touch my boy, I'ma kill you. Hey,
Pass me a napkin. Paper towel. Whatever they want to call it.
We're about to end this video though, for real. Cause I'm tired. But make sure y'all give me a thumbs up. Make sure y'all subscribe to my page. Make sure y'all tell everybody, you know, what's going over here on the Shiggy the Piggy Eat Show. I truly appreciate it. And
thank you for having me
y'all welcome.
to try out the baked chicken boy.
Ooh. But once again, Shiggy the Piggy Eating Show. Shiggy the Piggy, the realest piggy in the pen, all that good stuff. And I will see y'all later. Catch y'all later. I'm about to take me a little cat nap and get ready for work. And I'll see y'all later. Peace.